Hey, what's up, y'all, and welcome back to Hair Problems and No Edges. In today's video, I will be showing you how I style my Pixie haircut. Now, this Pixie will be not like your traditional relaxer Pixie because my hair is totally 100% natural with no relaxer in my hair. So, just jumping right on in, I have sectioned off my hair in a U shape right at the top. So I'm going from temple to temple and just sectioning off the very top crown of my head. And that's what I'm going to use as the curly part of my pixie. The rest of my hair from the edges down and around the back will be gelled down with the Eco Styler gel. So this pixie is going to be real cute. If y'all want to see how I create this style, then y'all have come to the right place. So as you all know that I have alopecia edges, so my goal in creating this hairstyle is to always make sure that I manipulate my hair in a way where I will cover up my problem areas. So that is me focusing on dragging the hair over my temples and my sides to make sure that my hair is covering my problem area. So right now I'm just gonna go in with some scissors and I'm just trimming around the perimeter of my ear. As you can comb the hair down, I'm seeing that I have hair that is sticking over my ear. And so that's what I am just trying to give it a light shape up and just trying to keep everything cute. You want to go ahead and do that to both sides of your hair to make sure everything is even and everything's proportioned. So I'm just combing my hair down and I'm just trimming the excess hair that's just sticking out. It's not very much, so it's not like a major cut. I'm just kind of dusting off the ends and just giving it a nice little lineup. And you definitely want to be sure that your scissors are sharp and not dull for this portion of the cut because, you want to get the cut just precise the very first time around. So make sure you keep your ears out of the way as well. You don't want to mistakenly nip or cut your ear. So be very careful when you're using scissors. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out where I want my parting at, where I want the portion of my hair to be slicked down, as well as how much at the top that I want to be able to curl up later on in this video. So you guys just stay tuned. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna play a little music for you guys. Hopefully you guys like the video. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more DIYs, hair solutions, hairstyles to regrow back our alopecia edges. And I will hopefully see you guys in my next tutorial. So just keep watching this video and let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Alright, so right here I'm showing y'all a spot where I missed dyeing my hair. So when I had just re-dyed my roots, I missed this spot. So that's the black parts that you're seeing. So learn from my mistakes. Make sure you get all your hair the next time. Okay, so at the beginning of the video, I did section off my hair and I put that part in there and just sectioned out the very top, but it was looking really disconnected right there. So I started pulling extra hair out to curl up. It was trying to give more definition and form to the pixie, because this is a curly pixie and not a relaxed pixie. I still wanted to look really cute and really uniform, so I did start pulling more hair out that I had slicked down originally. So make sure your pixie is connected to the slick down area so you can still be cute and it'll still be popping. So now I'm still just pulling out parts here in a minute. As you can see, it's starting to take shape, but it's not where I want it to be. So I'm gonna start pulling out more hair right here on the sides. And that's just because I don't want 90% of my hair to be slicked down and only 10% to be curly. I kind of want a 50-50 or maybe a 70-30. More curls though than slick down. As you can see, my nape area is very rough, so I did go off camera with the clippers and line it up and taper that hair down so it could lay much flatter. Alright y'all, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you have found this video very helpful. I hope you will find something to do with your alopecia edges if you're struggling in the same areas that I am. So this is the final results for the hairstyle. Go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this hairstyle. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you don't like it, just drop me a comment anyways. Let me know what you don't like about it. So I thank you guys for watching. If you're feeling this video, please share it, and please stay tuned and come back for my next video upload.